while we wait, we hydrate. Let's get it, dude. Now that's an omelet, dude. She ready to eat? Yeet, yeet. Man, I just love sharing the food that we cook at camp with you guys. Hope you guys like this stuff. Cause man, does it taste good. You know what we're having. You know what this is, comment down below. If you don't know what this is, well, make some and eat it. Yeah. These are about ready to go up in the sauce. Once you get your onions and your green peppers and your yellow peppers and all the peppers that you like, toss that into some mids, spaghetti sauce, marinara sauce, pizza sauce, whatever. It all works. Just depends upon what you like. We're using marinara sauce. And then wait on your sausages to cook and grab you a bun and eat, baby. Eat! Yeah. Like I said, you put it on a bun and you eat her up, fellas. That's exactly what we're about to do. Dig in. That's money. Guys, these little 110 hot water heaters in line, they work really good for washing dishes. This is how we're gonna wash dishes at camp. This is also our little portable shower too, using this hose and this hot water. It's perfect temperature. So we got a shower house over yonder, I'll show you. And we just run the hose over and take a nice warm shower. It's endless hot water. I mean, I think he paid like 30-40 bucks for that thing. Not bad. Over here is our portable shower house. And you just run the hose in through the door. Just like so. And you can hang it right there. You can hang it right there. And you can take your shower and blah, blah, blah. You're all clean. No sweaty ass.